Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Laravel avatar package and generate avatars per user based on the username or email. So let's get into it. First, you need to install this package in Laravel. So it's that simple. All you need is just compose require Laravel and avatar, and after that you can directly call the method that is avatar create and then pass the username or the first and last name of the user, and then you can this is going to generate the basic 64 string for an image. We can see that right here. So if I control V this, here you see that is the basic 64 data of that image. We can generate PNG images. We can change the style like you see here. This is the text and some black text color and some background color, but this is custom. This can be customized inside this package. Like we can store the package in the image as well in the uh, on the server. There are a lot of configurations that we can do, but let's see like how you can use this package. So first we just need to composer require Laravel and then avatar. So I just did that. You can see right here, and then all you need is just call the avatar colon create and then pass the name of the user, and then to base 64, this will create a base 64 string for that image. So if I assign that to a variable and then pass that to the welcome, that is the by default blade file that comes with Laravel 9. So if I go to, I just pass that to the welcome.blade.php, and if I go to that welcome.blade.php, I just included that in the src of this image. So if I save this and go back to that page, you see it's still the same thing. But if I change this to something else, like if I capitalize this and go back to that page again, you see it is changed. The string characters are changed. So now we can do the same thing for email. Like this is going to grab the name from the email as well. So if I save this, you see this is now TA. So free data package, if you don't know about this yet, go ahead and try it out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.